My name is Abubakar Muhammad. I'm going to take you through the automated essay scoring portal of Gwani software. As a trainee of Gwani software or a trainee of an affiliated academy of Gwani software, when you are supposed to write examination, you are going to be given URL. You simply type it on your browser or you click the link given to you and you will be here. This portal will allow trainees of Gwani software and its affiliated ICT academies to write examination online and essay exams, and then the computer system will mark the essay exams. About automated essay examination, students can take exams online and examiners can schedule exams online. There are three menus. One is the About AES. When clicking About AES will take you about the automated essay scoring portal. We have another menu, Contact, and clicking Contact is going to take you where you will have email address and phone number to call or to write in case you are finding it difficult using the AES portal. And likewise, there is a Twitter link to Gwani software, link to the Facebook of Gwani software, and the link to the LinkedIn page of Gwani software. The middle menu is Exams. When you click on Exams, it's going to take you here. If you are an examiner of Gwani software or its affiliated academy, you simply click on the Schedule Exam button to schedule an examination. While if you are a trainee of Gwani software or its affiliated academy, you click on Take Examination and you will go where you can take your examination online. Let's click Take Examination. When you click on Take Examination, it's going to take you to the login page. You cannot sit for any exam until you actually log in. And I'm going to use a login detail of a trainee called Erashid. And then I simply sign in after supplying the username and password. As I log in, it's going to show me any pending exam due to this trainee. Like this trainee I log in, which is on login details, is having one examination. And the title of the examination is PHP for Portal Design. Date of examination is 27th January 2019. The trainee will now click on Proceed Exam to Exams for him to now write the scheduled exams. And there is a button, a logout button. When trainee is done, he can click logout to log out from his own account. Let's proceed to write this examination. Now, on clicking Proceed to Examination, is going to take you to Examination Session page. It says Welcome Abdurrashid Examination Session. The exam title is PHP for Portal Design. Time allowed 1.5 hours. Instruction: attempt any 2 questions out of 3. But unfortunately, the exam date has elapsed. You are supposed to sit for this exam since January 27, 2019. The portal will not allow a trainee to write examination that has elapsed. It will also not allow a trainee to write examination that is pending. So for an elapsed examination, as a trainee, you are supposed to contact your examiner, inform him that you are unable to write examination on the required day and it has not elapsed. And of course, you give him the reason why. Then the examiner will schedule the examination for you to write it in another date. The portal will only allow you to write examination that is due for today. Any other thing, the portal will not agree. My name is Abubakar Muhammad. I'm going to continue. Supposing a trainee actually has an exam that is due today. So logging onto the exam portal, the trainee is expected to click on the exam menu. And then by clicking on the exam menu, 2 buttons are going to be shown as usual. The schedule exam, which is for examiner, and the take exam, which is for the trainee. The trainee is expected to click take examination. And then it's going to take him to the login page as usual. Let's log in with this trainee data. We click on sign in button and the trainee will be there. Now the trainee in his own account is going to see examination that are due for him, which we are having one exam, PHP for Portal Design. Date of examination is supposed to be 3rd of March 2019. The trainee will click on Proceed to Exam in order to start the examination proper. Now the exam has commenced. It has shown the exam title, PHP portal design, time allowed 1.5 hour, instruction, attempt any 2 questions out of 3. A timer is attached to the examination session since it is 1 hour 30 minutes, so the timer is showing the remaining time for this exam, which right now is 1 hour 29 minutes and some seconds. As soon as the time elapsed, the examination is going to be submitted and marked whether the trainee has clicked the submit button or not. Then the questions are going to be displayed. Like we have a question 1, for example, here. Write PHP code below to say hello. Now let's try to answer this one. PHP echo hello, then semicolon, end of PHP. I think maybe we have answered this question. Now we have question 2. Write PHP code to display the content of I after I is assigned the value 3. And this is the place to answer question 2. We also have question 3. Write PHP code to start PHP coding in a page. Let's assume we cannot attempt question 2. So we try question 3. Now let's assume we have finished the examination. There is the finish attempt button, which when a trainee click it, his exam is going to be marked. So let's click it. The student obtained 0% in the examination. So the score will be shown here, either 20, 30, 90, 100% if possible. And the student has finished the examination. And when the student comes back again, that examination is not going to appear in the list of pending examination because he has already attempted the exam. Let's check and see. There is no any pending examination due to this trainee because he has already attempted the examination. Thank you for listening.